You know what I'm saying? So I just got to the Hot Wheels at Walmart, and look at this. There's 1, 2. This is a repeat. Oh man, I don't even know what to do. Look at that. And that one. And this one. Do I have a red one? Yes, I do. And do I have a purple? No, I don't. So, oh, here's the thing. I have a completed set. Or at least I have. I don't think I have. Let me see. This one right here. So these are my finds. I'm getting a little sick. But let me go over and see if I have them all. I think there's 10 to this set. There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 different ones. This blister is cracked. So I got 9 different ones. And there's a few more extras. There's also this one. But I'm not really a marble guy. But look at this. Definitely gonna be a lot of customs for this kind of trucks. Look at that. So low. No tampons on the back, but still nice. Look at that exhaust. Chrome. The interior. Oh man. Look at this. Surf Rescue. Path Beater. This is a cool one. Blue interior. Not really a fan of these colors right here. I don't think they go well, but I'm trying to collect the whole set. Look at this one. This one is kind of heavy. Studebaker Champ 63. So I'm gonna definitely take this one. There's this Ford pickup 49 or 40. Look at that, man. This is nice. Look at that hood scoop. And the top. Sorry about the glare, but look at it. Let's see if I can get the interior. I like this one. Now we're talking. Look at that. 69 Chevy Silverado in purple. Look at the back windows. Look at the interior. I have never owned a truck, but I've always liked trucks. I like this one. Look at that grill though. I mean, Chevy, I'm a big fan of Chevy trucks. Look at the back. It's pretty old school. Not as old school as this one, but definitely they're like similar, but oh my god, they're just great. And here we have a Dodge. If I can get it to focus. Yeah, Power Wagon. It's a little bit too lifted for my liking. But I mean, you know, that's how it's supposed to be. If you're trying to go off-road. Dang, look at that. Do you see the panel in behind the grill? That is a lot of details. I really like it. And then on the bed cover is Hot Wheels logo, which is really nice. Now this one right here, 49 Ford. Look at that card. It's pretty nice. Look at that bed. I like this color. It's pretty like gold metallic. Sweet. Look at that. You got Hot Wheels on the back fender. Look at that step stool, chrome. I really like it. Look at this. This is a lifted power wagon. I would take this one over this other one right here. I like this one because it's got that suspension going on. It's like really lifted, really meant for off-road. I really like it. It's white. Well, it's red with white and black. It's a good combination of colors. Look at that. Black interiors. And you have your headlights in the back. Or the top. You see them right there. It's just nice. And we have the Ford F-150, the 2015. I like it. It's black with red stripes. Let's just say 4x4. Yeah. Trying to get into customizing, and then these will be good quality or good castings to customize. I mean, you can't go any lower than that, you know, if you want to try to drop. Like, I would try and drop this one right here. So yeah, nothing else on the I'll take a look at that Matchbox over there. You guys can see some, but I better hold on to these ones because I don't want them to be taken away. They also got some of these look at this one is open, Fast and Furious, but there's like the not the JDM ones, you know. I'm trying to get the Nissan Skylines. Well, I already got a set, but I'm trying to get doubles for those. For now, I'm gonna get a cart. I don't want my stuff to be taken away, and I think this will be a nice repeat and a power wagon, and also this one. These three are gonna be repeats. For $2.14, that's not bad. I'm willing to pay $2.14. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna grab my cart and then I'll show you guys what all is there that away. I'll be right back. Alright, so I just grabbed my cart. It's time to go and check Matchbox and see if we find some hidden Hot Wheels or some other cool stuff. Look at this one. We got more Ford. This is the police. There's a Raptor, which I'm thinking you guys have already seen. I'll probably take this one, doubles, because I already own one of each, but would definitely want to open and review them. Look at this Chevy wagon. I'll think about it. I put it in my cart. There's another SBT Lightning, which I'm definitely gonna get. Some Johnny Lightning. Oh, look at that. We got a Sylvia, which I'm taking. And then look, this one's already open, but I'm still gonna take it because I mean that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open it. And we have Outer World, some Johnny Lightning, Mercury Cougar. I don't know much about the M2s, but I know there's quite a few people who do collect M2s. So I'm here just to show you guys what's on the shelves. That one's a cool one. And look at that beetle. Coca-Cola. We have some more M2s over here. Let's see if we find a chase now that I know how to define a chase. I mean, this one it seems to be rare, but it's not quite a chase. Chevrolet Camaro. Oh, this one had a major accident. This one is all over the place. This is a big crash. And then we have the Monster Jams, which I don't think they're no longer, or at least these ones are not Hot Wheels. I think they're like in a dispute or something. But I'll keep looking around. Hopefully I find a third one of these Skylines, but we'll see. There's more of the look at that Supra, Brian's Supra, Fast and Furious. I don't know if you guys own this scale or these type of cars. And then there's, look at this Knight Rider. I don't know if this one lights up like the one from the last video. There's a S2K, real nice. Skyline, real cool Skyline. But I'll keep looking around and hopefully I find the third Skyline for the Fast and Furious. And I appreciate you guys commenting. That really motivate us to keep it going. Look, same Walmart, and I had never seen these ones. And just to remind you guys, I have been collecting for over 4 months now, going into the 5th. So I'm definitely gonna take these old cars, because I do not have, I was not collecting when they came out, so I am grateful that I get to see these ones hanging in here. I would have thought I always only see them on the antiques, or you know, like those people who sell overpriced cars. Man, see, this is what I don't like. Come on, man, like, it was $2. Tell me you don't have $2 for a car. But anyways, I'm gonna look and go through all of these cars. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm just trying to be quick and get the most I can. Oh man, I mean, the cards are not in the best shape, but I'm willing to pay $1 rather than like $3 or $2.99 to somebody who just decided to hug. Oh, sweet. This one's half open. I don't mind it. Like I said, I'd rather pay the 94 cents over paying somebody else the overpriced. Now I kind of want to dig through this, but that will take a while, and it is just me right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pause you guys for a second and see if there's any other or more of these old school Hot Wheels. Look at that Chevy Blazer 4x4. I don't know which year they are, so if you guys tell me in the comments, enlighten me. There's that one, and we have a Dodge Charger 500 from the Nightburner series. Damn, I like that. If they would have kept it black rims, but I mean, I do understand if they were hollow and black, that would be great, but because they're not hollow, they're gray. I mean, in black. If they were hollow and black, that would be great, but because they are not hollow, they are gray. But look at this one. I might have this one. I have to look through my pictures and see. Definitely have never seen this one. So I'm taking it. 41 Willis. Look at that. This is, I hadn't been to this Walmart in a minute, for a while. Look at that. Some 24s up in this Chevelle. Nice. So this is like a see-through, like an X-Racer. Real nice car. And then look at this one, Greenwood Corvette 68. I like the back. Look at it. This is nice. Wow, look at that. That's a nice front. And the grill, it just goes real well with it. There's a Pro Stock Camaro. I like that purple. Real nice. Real nice. Well, let me see if there's any more. I'll put you guys on pause. This time is for reals. So once again, this is a, well, I did not see any other old cars, but I'm very satisfied with these ones. So this is pretty much what I'm taking right here, and in addition to these cars. well, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, subscribe the video. I don't know if this is a long video. I'll probably do 2 parts, but we'll see how the editing goes. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Happy huntings.